Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio. Videos on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok have the power to take an unheard artist to #1 and completely make the track go viral overnight. So if the visuals are good enough to entice a user to stop and watch your video, then only the user will listen to the music. And in this short video, I am going to show you a super easy way to create such videos in just a few steps, with no complicated software or hardware. So let's go. First, open your browser and type onemaker.io. Onemaker.io provides a number of products, such as a music visualizer, motion cover, Spotify Canvas, podcast audiogram, and branding. There are 2 categories using which you can create music videos. One is Music Visualizer. There are over 100 plus templates in this section, and we add 20 plus new templates every month. Here you can choose the template as per your theme. If you want to keep it minimal yet vibrant, you can click on the Minimal tab. If you want a cinematic theme, you can choose this one. Now, I'll show you how to make this video in just a few simple steps. Let's click on this one. Here comes the editor page, where you can edit this whole template as per your requirement and the theme of your video. If you are not happy with the background image, or you want any video in the background, or the motion cover, you can just click here on Upload Photo or Video. Here you can upload any video or image file from your computer, or you can simply choose from this vast library of AI-generated motion cover and image artwork. After that, click on Advanced Setting here, upload the music from your device, and you may change the color of waveform and progress bar, and then choose the video format. I am choosing 9:16 as this video is for Instagram and TikTok, and click on Export or Update Video. It will take a few seconds to generate preview. Here comes the video preview. If you don't like the preview, go back to Edit. Otherwise, click Make Full-Length HD Video. When you click the Make Full HD button, a sign-up window will appear. You can create an account for 7 days free trial. Once you log in, you'll receive your full HD video in a short amount of time. You can produce 1 watermark video every day during your free trial time. Additionally, for $1.99, you can get a lifetime plan where you only need to pay once and enjoy Onemaker services forever. This is an incredible deal that you won't want to miss out on. Here are the variations I created for this one, and you can do the same easily in a few steps. Now comes the motion cover category. This is a must-try for any artist. Just like a restaurant's signature dish that distinguishes them from the crowd, these are AI-generated motion covers that can take your music videos to a whole new level. Similar to the music visualizer category, you can edit these videos and adjust the video format to suit your needs. It will take a few seconds to generate preview. Here comes the video preview. Now click on Make Full-Length HD Videos, and you will get your full video shortly. So now when you have made this video for Instagram and TikTok, but you want the same video for YouTube, don't worry. After creating full HD videos, you can return to edit on the same altered template, change the video format, and download it without any difficulty. Now it's time to showcase your work to the world and share your creation with the world. Post on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Now you can add a unique touch to your content wherever you are. I hope you really enjoyed this video if you have come so far. And if you want some more easy-to-follow editing tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you the next time.